we will discuss simple global temperature model. This model is proposed to calculate the temperature of Earth planet by ignoring all other factors of temperature like altitude, latitude, longitude and time for the sake of simplicity. In this model, it is considered that the total energy absorbed by Earth is equal to energy radiated back to space by Earth. It is equation number 1. First, we will calculate the energy absorbed by Earth. Solar radiation arrives the surface of Earth planet just outside the Earth's atmosphere, and the value of solar intensity that is coming annually on the surface of Earth planet is equal to 1370 watt per meter square, and it is called solar constant, is equal to 1370 watt per meter square. It is symbolized with capital S. But it is believed that all the solar radiation is not capable of striking over the surface of Earth. Some of the solar radiation simply passes over the Earth planet. In order to avoid the situation, we will consider here a circular hoop. And the circular hoop radius is equal to the radius of the Earth planet. So this is a imaginary hoop, and this is Earth planet, which is spherical in nature. So all those radiations which is capable of passing through this circular hoop is actually strikes over the surface of Earth planet. Now we can calculate the energy absorbed by the Earth. So we can write here the energy absorbed by the Earth must be equivalent to total solar constant, means the solar radiation that is coming over the surface of Earth, that is 1370 watt per meter square, into area of circular hoop. Instead of Earth planet, we are replacing the area of Earth planet by area of circular hoop, because all the solar radiation which is passing through this circular hoop is actually striking over the surface of Earth. So we can write the area of hoop. It is a circle, so area of circle is pi r square. Instead of the value, we can write simply solar constant pi r square. Further, it is proved that all the solar radiation that strikes over the surface of Earth planet is not going to absorb. A fraction of this solar constant is actually radially reflected back, and this is called albedo. Albedo is the fraction of solar radiation that is reflected back by the surface of Earth planet. It is symbolized with alpha, and its annual mean value is 31%, or by fraction is 0.31. So now we can write the actual amount of energy that is absorbed by the Earth planet. So the actual amount of energy must be S pi r square, and the quantity must be deducted from S pi r square, because a fraction of it is actually reflected back. So how much? It is alpha. This is a fraction. So S pi r square, and a fraction of it, that is alpha fraction of it, is actually reflected back and must be deducted from the total energy absorbed by the Earth planet. So we can write here, instead of S pi r square is actually the total energy S pi r square, I am repeating again, minus S pi r square into alpha. So we can write S pi r square 1 minus alpha. So it is equation number 2. Okay, so the total energy absorbed by the Earth planet is capital S, that is the solar constant, pi, r is the radius of circular hoop, 1 minus alpha, where alpha is albedo. Okay. Then we will calculate energy radiated back to space by the Earth planet. Okay. In order to calculate this value, we are considering that the Earth planet behaves like a black body under isothermal condition. Means the condition is isothermal as well as the Earth planet behaves like a black body. So Earth planet is actually a black body. Isothermal condition means the temperature of Earth planet would be same in all over the area of Earth planet. So temperature is same everywhere. And black body means a body which can capable of absorbing all the radiation coming over it. And now we can write, according to Stephen's Boltzmann law, the law was given for a black body. Since we have considered here the Earth planet is behaving like a black body, so we can apply the Stephen's Boltzmann law. So according to Stephen's Boltzmann, we can write here the total energy radiated by the black body is actually equivalent to sigma into T to the power 4 into area. The equation was for per unit area, but we will mention here the area of spherical Earth planet. So area of Earth planet. Since we are considering here the Earth planet is a spherical, so we will write down the area of a sphere. So sigma T to the power 4 into 4 pi r square, that is the capital R is the radius of the Earth planet, 4 pi r square. So this is the energy radiated back to space by the Earth planet. So it is equation number 3. Now we will equate both these equations. In order to do so, we are putting the values of energy absorbed by the Earth planet from equation 2 and energy radiated back to space from equation 3 in equation number 1. So the energy absorbed, that is S pi r square into 1 minus alpha, is equal to sigma T to the power 4 into 4 pi r square. Okay. Now S is the solar constant, r is the radius of circular hoop that we had considered in order to calculate the energy absorbed by the Earth planet. Alpha is albedo here. Sigma is Stephen Boltzmann constant, which value is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square, Kelvin to the power 4. T is the temperature, which is effective temperature of Earth black body, into 4 pi r is the radius of the Earth planet. Since we know that radius of both the circular hoop and the Earth planet was equal, so equal quantities can be cancelled out. Pi will cancel out each other. So remaining quantities are S 1 minus alpha sigma T to the power 4 into T to the power 4 into 4. Okay. So we calculate the temperature, that is the effective temperature of Earth black body. So T to the power 4 is equal to S1 minus alpha divided by 4 sigma. So temperature must be equivalent to S1 minus alpha divided by 4 sigma whole to the power 1 by 4. Now we will put the values of quantities. Temperature, it is, we will represent the temperature by TE, that is the effective temperature of Earth black body, is equal to solar constant value, that is 1370 watt per meter square, into 1 minus alpha. Alpha is a fraction, that is 0.31, divided by 4 sigma. Value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. After calculation, you will get the value is equivalent to 254 Kelvin. 254 Kelvin. Here watt per meter square will cancel out each other. K to the power 4 and we have a root of 1 by 4. So we will get only Kelvin. And we can convert it into centigrade. So the centigrade quantity minus 273 Kelvin. It will give you minus 19 degrees centigrade. So this is the temperature of Earth's black body, which is minus 19 degrees centigrade according to simple global temperature model.